So where are we, Camille? What are we looking at?
We're at a river.
Yeah, what river is the largest one in Asia? Longest? The Mekong.
Mekong.
We're gonna head north, so we're gonna go upstream. So north is upstream, about an hour and a half.
Yeah. Do this. Eso también la fila mi cámara ya.
What do you think, Aaron? How's round 2 treating you?
It's good.
I like this river's awesome.
Yeah. It's better this time because you can like take more time.
Yeah, yeah. Pocao Caves.
Excuse me, nobody take off.
We'll show you, they're that way.
You will see the original of Laos house like that. The original house is we have floor. Many years ago, under the house, we live buffalo or cow under the house, and the family live up the house. Make of sticky rice. Here. How to do it? First you steam sticky rice, and then you wash it, and then you put to the jar, and you put the yeast like the head of whiskey, and pour together here, and leave here about 10.
It's a lot of new faces. Ah.
You can start from here, the city, to study. Your ABC.
Just sing the song?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P,
Q, R,
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
We're gonna sing it. 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay.
Say Bangkok in Thai.
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทรามหาดิลกพบราชธานีบุรีลมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรวิมานกรมธานประสิทธิ์ภูมิชวัตวิษณุกรรมสิทธิ์ something like that.
It's something like that. You just told me how to like bake cookies, right? In Thai. It's really long, right? It's like a story.
Because the dialect about monk, the Luang Prabang, they eat that and they leave the bone inside that and in Cholo. I want to somewhere will require a lot of and when you visit the temple, you visit the temples.
Luang waterfall. Dinner. People are getting a little tired.
Can you video?
I'm doing it right now. Do you have anything wise to say, Alan?
And then like they'll be like, thank you.
Okay, that's good. See how everybody's doing. I think they're looking at geckos.
No, we made up a story. Brendan now has his name is Gary the gecko.
Yep, they're pretty tired.
$5